The venous drainage of the upper extremity can be divided into two components. First, there is the superficial venous drainage shown on the left of the screen. On the right, there is the deep venous drainage. If we take a look at the superficial venous drainage more specifically, we see that they begin at the hand of the person. Then on the lateral aspect of the forearm, there is the continuation of the cephalic vein. The cephalic vein continues to the axillary region and drains into the axillary vein. On the medial side, the basilic vein continues and begins to merge with the brachial vein in the brachial region. Basilic and cephalic veins are then connected together by median cubital vein for continuous venous blood flow. Ulnar and radial veins accept deep venous blood drainage from the structures of the hand. Then, the two veins ascend up on medial and lateral aspects of the forearm. Ulnar and radial veins merge together to become the brachial vein. Brachial vein then continues and becomes the axillary vein. The axillary vein then becomes the subclavian vein. The subclavian vein then becomes part of the brachiocephalic vein. Brachiocephalic vein continues to become superior vena cava. Superior vena cava then enters right atrium of the heart.